Make sure you have these books on hand all the time. Obviously, guys, Cooking Around the World, Best in Your Kitchen, and Chef Des Cooks with BCAs. The one thing I'm going to show you tonight, and I don't think we've talked about this at any Chef Des Zoom class. See what I just did? I took the pan and I did the little chef split that rotates the food all the way around the pan without having to take a spoon and toss them that way. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. In case you're, I don't know, maybe you have people over and you want to act like a chef, you just want to master the one-hand flip of the pan. Here's how you're going to learn how to do that. Take notes. Take your pan, you can just put in a handful of peanuts in there, or you can have whole halves of pecan, you can do cashews, whatever sort of nuts you have kicking around, or you can do it with like some dry beans, you can do it with dry rice, macaroni noodles, anything like that you can sort of take in your pan, okay? A couple of really big pointers off the bat. You need a sloping edge in order to do that, in order to do this flipping. The other thing as well, don't put too much ingredients in your pan, because otherwise you're going to be trying to flip and it's going to be going all over the place. But let's walk through the logistics of this and how you're going to practice so you can master the one-handed chef's flip. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to shuffle the ingredients down to this edge of the pan. Notice that they're not on this half, but they're on this half, the half that's farther away from you. And this is the part that you really have to try and master. It's a flick of the wrist. See what I mean? It just goes in and rotates. It's just a little flick of the wrist. And how you're going to get there and master that is you're going to do it on a flat surface, okay? Flat surface first, and you're not going to pick it up to try and flip it until you master the flip on a flat surface. And how you're going to do that is, see what I mean? See how they're shuffling? And once you can get that flipped by keeping it level, flat, then you can go to picking it up and just trying to master just that little quick flip action to get that done. And that's your homework for tonight. So keep practicing. All of us chefs that know how to do that, we weren't born out of the womb knowing how to do that. It just came through practice. It came through some chef telling us what I just told you. This is how you practice. If it's important to you, hey, if it's not, just ignore those past 2 minutes of talking, okay? But if it's important to you to try and learn that, to have some fun in the kitchen, then go ahead and do that. This is how you're going to get there, okay?